Hi guys, how's it going? I'm Paris. Welcome to my channel. Special tonight is I am going to order a Elsa doll and cut it open. If you watched like last episode, you remember that I had an Elsa Happy Meal, and there was no Happy Meal as usual, like weird stuff always happening 3 in the morning. So it is 3 in the morning right now, but Elsa attacked me and she grabbed my camera and she tried to make it snow inside my house, or it rather did snow. And that was pretty messed up because it was freezing. I was so annoyed. I had to like put her underneath, like, anyway, just like watch this clip. Okay. I know I need to get rid of this doll. What do I do? I'll toss it out. Yeah. I'll toss it out. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna see if like she's unconscious. Okay. I gotta get this ready. Okay. If anything, lift it, drag it, and then okay. Just make sure she's still unconscious. Okay. And I'm gonna drag her out of here. Come on, crazy. You're not gonna stay here. I'm gonna take you outside and then, okay. See you out. Still asleep. Just make sure, yeah, she's still like knocked out or whatever the fact it is. Not staying here at all. Okay, I'm gonna toss it out. Get out. Guys, I mean, I tossed her out and I just got back to my door, but maybe it was a mistake. Should I actually go and like, try to cut her up or open and see what's inside? Maybe that'll show me why she's like crazy and stuff. Yeah, I could totally do that. Okay, I should. Let me just go look for her. Ooh. I don't remember where exactly I threw her around, but I thought I threw her around here somewhere. Oh my god. She's gone. The frag? She was right there. She was literally right there. And she's not even there now. The frag. Okay, maybe I should just go inside before she comes back to my place. I think that's what happened. Oh my god. God, I gotta watch out for my back. My back. There's like literally footprints there. Wait. Are those her footprints? Like she was crazy. Oh my god, okay. I'm just gonna go back inside because I really don't think it's a good idea. Make sure nobody's following me. I feel like I'm being watched though. The frag. I thought I heard something, but I'm not sure. That was really scary. Okay, yeah, I'm just gonna go in. I can't do this. Maybe I'll just order another one, and I'll do that next time. So yeah, after that, guys, I was like, okay, so like I did that, and maybe I should, like toss her out the house and keep myself safe. And but then after like I did that, like I decided that maybe I should cut her open, do another video for you guys, and what happened was when I went back out to look outside, I only took like a minute. It wasn't even that long, guys. So I turned around and I was going to cut her, like pick her up and then like maybe cut her open, see what's inside, like see like what's making her crazy, like why is it able to snow when she's around and stuff like that. Like that's insane. Like this is like what, like the second, third time it happened. I don't even remember, guys. So anyway, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to order a Elsa doll, and I think that's what I have to do now because now I don't have one, and it's 3 in the morning, yeah, and I'm gonna see if I can get an Elsa doll and cut it open and see if like are they all the same? Like, do they all go crazy at like 3 in the morning and try to attack people? I don't even know. So anyway, right now I'm just gonna log on to like this website and I am going to get Elsa delivered. Okay, and done. Okay, so guys, anyway, I ordered the Elsa doll and it's telling me that it wouldn't take too long, maybe like in a few minutes or so. So we're just gonna like wait a minute. The doorbell, guys, that's like really fast, right? Like, it can't be like my delivery. Let me see if it's telling me if like when my delivery's here. Okay, so I just like refreshed the page and literally it's saying that it's not here yet. So who's at the door if it's on its way? Okay, give me a second, guys. I'm just gonna go and see if I can figure this out. Okay, guys, like this is crazy. Like, I got the doll in and it said my order wasn't even in yet. Like, does that make sense to you? That's insane. Very, very strange. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna open up like Elsa. Are you excited to get opened up? I can't wait. Why is it snowing? That's crazy. Did you do it? Like, anyway, I'm gonna cut it open now because yeah, I need to tape it down. So I got my tape, a new one, so no mistakes, and I got my, you know, this thing. So I'm gonna see if I can cut open. Okay. All right, gonna cut you open. I gotta. Okay. This is like a crazy way to like cut this open. Okay. I'm gonna use a thick chunk of tape for you. What the? I think that was enough tape. Let me add this. There we go. Let me add another piece. The frog, is it moving? What the? Is she freaking freak? What? Oh my god! Is it? Oh my god! Is it snowing? Oh my god! Are you the same one from last time? Where's my? Oh my god! Get away! Yeah, can I keep it? Oh my god! Okay. Get in there. Guys, no. Second time of trying to cut or open or whatever was not the charm. Or third, I don't even know. I lost track of time now, guys. That was really scary. What am I gonna do with this thing if I can't even cut it open? I didn't even get to like pick up, you know, the thing to cut it open with. Like, and it started snowing. The frack. I thought I heard something. Did you guys hear it too? It was really freaking loud. It was so loud. Okay, guys. I'm gonna end the video here. I know I didn't cut her open yet. Blah, 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 whatever. I don't know. Anyway. I tried. Maybe next time, guys. Maybe. Anyway, thanks for joining me. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button and turn on the bell to get notifications. I'm just gonna head on to bed and should I call my friend before I do this? I was supposed to actually contact my friend, but I didn't do it and I tried to open her up on my own. Ew. Anyway, guys, Priesters out.